Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a simple South Indian lunch, pressure cooker meal so that everything gets done very quickly. So along with rice we'll be having potato podi mas and pushnika sambar. Pushnika refers to this ash gourd, and it is a good idea to use this vegetable at least twice or thrice a week in your menu because it has got a number of health benefits for diabetics, for weight loss, for digestion problems. So in the separator pan of the pressure cooker, here I have taken 1/3 cup of turad dal, adding a pinch of haldi to it and with 1 cup of water. This is 1 cup of raw rice, unpolished rice with 3 cups of water, and here I have taken 4 potatoes. Now we will put all these together in our pressure cooker. See that there is water in the base of the pressure cooker pan. Cook it for 3 whistles. For the sambar, first take about 2 cups of water. Here I have taken about 250 grams of this ash gourd or white pumpkin, peeled and chopped it into chunks like this. We will add it to the water and allow it to cook. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and some salt. So this is for the sambar. So while this vegetable is cooking, here I have soaked a small lemon size peeled piece of tamarind in water. We will extract the juice and keep it ready. See, our vegetable has cooked well now. Now add in this tamarind extract. We have already added haldi and salt to it. So now we need to add some hing crystals. If you don't have crystals, you can add powder also, no problem. And homemade sambar powder, I am adding 2 teaspoons. Now we allow all this to again boil for another 5 minutes. Add some curry leaves. Our cooker is done, so we will remove out the potato, rice and dal. Dal is well cooked, just whisk it together. The sambar is also boiling. Now add this cooked and mashed dal to the sambar. Our sambar is boiling well now. It is ready. We can switch it off. We will now only do the seasoning for the sambar. Heat a spoon of oil. Add some mustard seeds, methi seeds and 2 dry red chilies. Pour this on top of the sambar. That's it, our home style pushnika sambar is done and ready. Here I have peeled and mashed the boiled potatoes. For the podi mas, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Now we will add mustard seeds, a teaspoon of chana dal, half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, a little bit of hing. The spice for this comes from the green chilies and ginger. So I have a small piece of ginger which I chopped, 3 to 4 green chilies and some curry leaves. Stir fry everything till the dals are also well roasted. Next, add in this boiled and mashed potatoes. Add some turmeric powder, salt to taste. Mix everything well together. Stir it for 2 or 3 minutes. You switch it off and then finally squeeze the juice of lemon over this. So you want that slightly tangy taste plus awesome aroma of green chilies and ginger. Potato podi mas is very tasty along with this sambar. And then garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. So as we do every day, once we cook the rice, we just add a little bit of dal and some ghee on it and offer our prayers. Now we are ready to serve out our home style meal, South Indian lunch of potato podi mas, steaming hot rice. Add some ghee on top along with some pushnika or ash gourd sambar. Do try out the simple and sattvic lunch combo. We'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.